Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing an update video. We do these 3 to 4 times a month, proving our trade lines are posting on a regular basis and proving that we're real, that we're here to help you. We do free consulting. We answer the phone anytime from 10 to 4. Any question you have about credit repair, trade lines, we can help you. We do free advice on trade lines. We do CPN numbers. But let's get started. So we have a 12753. He ordered a 6.6 year trade line. So let's see what it is right here. This is a Wells Fargo 3,900. And it is, like I said, about 6.6 years old. Now, why is the score so high? Let me tell you why it's high. This is a CPN that was blank. Anytime you have a blank profile, it could be a CPN or social profile. You put an old line on it, it's going to post high score. The less accounts, the better. The less accounts, the higher the boost in your profile. Always keep that in mind. And age trumps credit limit. This credit limit is 3,900, but the score is 753 because of the years. Again, you want years when buying trade lines. If you have a lot of accounts, let's say you have 10 to 15 accounts, you might want to think twice about buying a trade line. If you have a lot of derogatories on your profile, a lot of negative items, collections, medical bills, bankruptcy, you might want to think twice about buying a trade line. We do free consultations to show you. We actually review your file for free to let you know whether a trade line can help you. So call for more information at 202-213-2218 or for a free consultation. Again, this is Wells Fargo. This particular line here costs $495. It's a 6.6 year line. Again, age always trumps credit limit. Always shoot for an older trade line versus a higher limit. You've got lines that are 15, 20, 30 years old with low limit that can really boost your score over 100 points. It's amazing what trade lines can do for a profile. So, that's Cameron. That's it for today. Signing out. Call us for more information, 202-213-2218. Subscribe to our channel. We do these videos 3 or 4 times a month. Subscribe to our list. We have a list we put out twice a month at tradelines.biz. That's tradelines with an S. .biz. It's free to sign up. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button, and we appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day.